Hello students. Lesson number 8, algebraic expression and operations on them. Under this lesson, today we will see the second, that is subtraction of algebraic expression. Yesterday we had seen. Now today we will see the multiplication of algebraic expression. Actually, multiplication of algebraic expression is easy than addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Here, as we are doing the multiplication of numbers, like that numbers 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, in this way only we have to do the multiplication. But here the letters, if it is there, its multiplication inside, sometimes we have to follow the rules of indices. Okay, we have to follow the rules of indices. If the variable is same, at that time we have to follow the indices rule, and variables are different, at that time we have to write only the multiplication of that variables. So the example number 1 is 3x into 12y. 3x into 12y. Here the numbers are 3 into 12 and the variables are x and y. So x into y is equal to xy, and 12 3 is 36. 12 3 is 36. So the multiplication of 3x into 12y is equal to 12 3 is 36 and x into y is equal to xy. In this way, very easily we can do the multiplication of algebraic expressions. This is the monomial, so we can done this directly. Here one more example they gave you. It is also the example of monomial. If you see here, 2a square is a single term and we have to multiply 2a square with the 3b square. Okay, so here first of all we have to do the multiplication of numbers. 1 minute. 2a square 3b ab square. So here we have to do the multiplication of numbers at first. So 2 3s are 6. Okay, now here a square and a square and a is there. Now here we have to follow the indices rule. So here base is same, as you know that a raised to a square into a. If single a is there, its index is 1, that I taught you in the indices lesson. So here when base is same and the multiplication is there in between the two terms, then we have to do the addition of indices. So 2 plus 1 equals to a raised to 3. So here a square into a is equals to a cube. Okay, this is the multiplication of a square into a. And then here b square. So the b square right here as it is, because the b square here, like b square is single term only here, and that's why we have to write it as it is. So the multiplication of 2a square and 3ab square is 6a cube b square. 6a cube b square. Now this is also the monomial's multiplication. It was easy. Now we will see the next example, that is the minus 12x minus 12x and 3y square. So its multiplication inside also we have to follow the rules that we had studied in the multiplication of integers. So here minus 12x, another term is the 3y square. Okay, so first of all here we will write 12x into 3y square. So here 12 3 is 36 and x is single term, so write here as it is, and y square also you have to write here as it is. But here we have to do the multiplication of signs. So you know that negative and positive, if multiplication is there, if the signs are different, I told you some rules, okay, when I taught that lesson at that time. So if different signs are there, the answer will, in multiplication inside answer will get the नेगेटिव साइन ओनली. ओके, और फॉर दैट आई टोल्ड यू द रूल, दैट इज गलत बात को सही कहना क्या होता है, गलत होता है, so the answer is negative. Okay, so this rule we have to follow. The multiplication is same, but the multiplication of sign is, we have to, that rule we have to follow. So minus into plus is equal to minus. Okay, so minus 12x into 3y square is equal to minus 36xy square is the multiplication of this 2. Okay, so here it was solved already. So here it is given minus 12, numbers they are taken together, x as it is written, and y square means y into y, and the multiplication is minus 36x minus 36xy square is the answer of it. Now the next example is minus 3x square and minus here we will do the multiplication of minus 3x square and minus 4xy. We have to do the multiplication of these two terms. So here it is the multiplication of, as it is given in the textbook, in that way I will show you. So minus 3 into minus 4, x square means what? X into x into x. X into x. And then here xy means x into y. So here in this example inside 3 4s are 12. माइनस इंटू माइनस मतलब गलत बात को गलत कहना क्या होता है, सही होता है. सो द आंसर विल गेट पॉजिटिव साइन, एंड पॉजिटिव साइन इफ यू आर नॉट राइटिंग then also okay. So 3 4s are 12, otherwise minus 3 into 4, minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to plus 12. So 12 I wrote it here. X into x means x cube, and this is y. In another method inside, we can solve this example in this way also. Directly minus 3x square into minus 4xy. So here 3 4s are 12, minus into minus plus, so 12. Then x square into x, base is same, index is addition. Here this x has a index 1, so here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and y right here as it is. So these are the two methods. Any method you can follow in the exam, you will get the marks. Okay, so in this way this monomials multiplication we have to do. Okay, now the next it is when multiplying two monomials. Here from these examples what we understood, that is when multiplying two monomials, first multiply the coefficient. So whenever we are doing the multiplication of the monomials, at that time we are doing the multiplication of coefficient. See here 12 into 3 means 12 3s are 36, means we had done the multiplication of coefficient. So minus 12 into 3 minus 36. Here also same, 2 3s are 6. Minus 3 into minus 4, 3 4s are 12, minus into minus 12. So here in each answer, in each example's answer inside, here at first we wrote the coefficients, or done the multiplication of coefficients. Then along with their signs, and then we had done the multiplication of variables. Variables means those which terms are changing their values. So here we done the multiplication of x into y, that is xy. Here x, y into y, that is y square. So xy square is here. Here we had done the multiplication of a square and a, that is a cube, and b square written here as it is. And in this example inside, we done the multiplication of x square into x, that is x cube, and y is written as it is. So from these examples we understand that is coefficient multiplication we have to do at first, and then we have to do the multiplication of variables. Now we will study the examples which based on the multiplication of binomials by monomials. So here the question is that x into bracket x plus y. So how to solve this example? Here in our textbook, here it is given x into bracket x plus y. If you see here, you say that teacher multiplication sign is not given here. So when the bracket is there and any term is there, in between them multiplication is only there. Okay, as we are not writing the plus sign in front of 2, 3, directly we are writing 2, 3 plus sign, it's not necessary to write. In that way, the bracket is there and the term is there, inside it multiplication sign if we are not giving, then also okay. Okay, so here we have to do the multiplication of terms. So first of all, here it is monomial, x is the monomial and x plus y is a binomial. Okay, so first of all we will do the multiplication of this x with this, the x which is from the binomial. So here we will do the multiplication of x into x. Here it is plus sign, you also give here plus sign, and then here x into y. You multiply, first multiply x with x and then multiply x with y. So here you will get x into x is equal to x square and x into y is equal to xy is its answer. Okay, so the multiplication of x into bracket x plus y is equal to x square plus xy. Okay, now the second example is the, here it is multiplication shown. Now question number second is the, we have to do the multiplication of 7x minus 6y, and here we have to multiply this term with the binomial with the 3z. So how to solve this example we will see. Here 7x minus 6y, we have to multiply this with the 3z. So first of all 7x into 3z means this first term of binomial we multiplied with this monomial. So the multiplication of 7x and 3z is written at this place. Okay, now negative sign if it is there, you have to give here negative sign only, and then 3z into 6y, its multiplication we have to do. So here 6y into 3z, these two terms multiplication we written here. According to the rule just we studied, now we have to do the multiplication of coefficient. So 7 3s are 21. So the multiplication of 7 3s are 21 is there, and x into z is xz. Then negative sign here, here this sign is plus, plus into minus, that is minus only, and 3 6 are 18, and y into z is equal to yz. Okay, so these steps we have to follow in exam. Each step carries half mark, each step carries half mark. So according to it, if the 2 marks question is there, the 4 steps are necessary whenever you are solving this example. Here 2 steps are given, that's why here only this question will get will come, if in exam it will come, it carries the only 1 mark. Okay, now after this example we will see the next example, that is multiplying binomial by binomial. This we will study in our next lecture. Okay, and the division also. Next is the equation in one variable. These two new terms are there, new concepts are there, that we will study in our next lecture. So today you have to complete the practice set number 35. Inside it first, second and third, these questions are there. Here the multiplication of monomial with the monomial in first and second inside, and third inside you have to multiply binomial with the monomial. So these 3 examples you have to solve, and after teaching the question number second, that is by multiplying binomial with the binomial, you have to solve the question number 4th and the second. So today we will stop here only. Okay, and thank you.